Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find display and brightness. Now let's scroll down to find the auto screen off option. Let's enter, and as you can see here, we've got some options from which you can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, or 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. Currently we've got the 30 seconds option applied. As you can see, this option is marked, and in order to change it, just tap on the option like to use. So I'll pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will black out after 10 minutes of inactivity. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.